In this guide, I'm going to explain how to clear your TikTok search history and remove search suggestions, enhancing your privacy. So to delete the individual searches, you need to first go ahead and launch your TikTok application, log into your specific account, and select the search icon in the top right corner of your screen. Click on the cross icon to delete the search history, and this will instantly delete it. To delete all of the search history on your TikTok application, what you need to do is go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on the three menu in the top right, then select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and go to the section of Preferences, then select Activity Center, that is between Inbox and Messaging and Audience Controls. From here, go to the Search History option, that is between Comment History and Activity History. Now click on Select in the top right and take the option of Select All Search History. Now select Delete All from the bottom right corner of the screen, which was highlighted in pink color. Now select Delete to confirm and you'll be done. Once you see no search history, all of your search data has been successfully deleted, and this process is the quickest way to manage your TikTok's search history and improve your privacy. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.